generation, more digital living with a lot of useful things in the last century. Modern technology has provided new generation more digital living with a lot of useful things in the last century. Technology has provided a lot of modern devices for their life. One of those is a computer. A computer is a digital electronic machine and plays an important role in people's life both in study and in work. Since their invention of a computer, it has made human life change a lot. However, everything always has pros and cons. With this modern device, it provides a lot of usefulness if we use it right. Here are some advantages and disadvantages to using computer. On the positive side, computer help us save time and effort in doing different tasks. A computer can memory and store unlimited data while human being can do the same. Furthermore, computer work non-stop with tiredness and laziness. Moreover, we can get different kinds of information through the internet by using computer. For example, for students, we can improve our knowledge through studying or download some useful things, document related to our study, or watching some lessons that are explained by teacher on YouTube. Another way using a computer, the way that we can find everything that is happening in the world through social media like Facebook or Instagram. Besides, we can using computer to communicate with family, friends, and other people that we get less wherever we are. Although computer provide a lot of advantage, there are also disadvantages to using computer are following. First, using computer can reduce writing skill because we use a keyboard instead of handwriting and pen. What is more, using computer for a long time can affect our eye and back because we sit still of a computer. Additionally, where we spend time with our computer can let us edit it and cut down our ability to do something else. For example, when students are edited to using computer to do some activities like playing game, their learning capacity can be reduced. Moreover, computer make people lose create communicate. Some people like chatting through social media like Messenger, Telegram, and Line so on rather than speaking in person. Moreover, some people use computer illegally such as hacking information or entering others' computer. In conclusion, computer provide a lot of advantage. It can help us save time and use it as equipment for students to improve their knowledge and keep communicate with other people. Moreover, computer have some bad points that we should know. This can affect our eye and backbone and do some improper activity. Therefore, when we use computer, we must think thoroughly about pros and cons. Thank you for listening.